Hey there, everybody. Thomas Wood with Basecamp Trading. It is Thursday, July 20th, and we're going to talk today, continuing on with the Mistakes Traders Make series, we're going to talk about why majority of traders out there fail when they try to take on the markets, basically. So there's a couple big culprits to this, in my opinion. Number one thing is a lack of discipline, as I've said before. The biggest thing is you got to be a disciplined trader. You have to be patient. You have to not only be disciplined on when you're getting in, or not only when you're getting in, but also when you're getting out, so you're not taking profits too soon, and so that you're not letting losers run. And you can't have those blow up days. I mean, disciplined traders do not have blow up days, period. All right. Now, the other really big thing is there's two parts to the second thing, and that is traders that fail, a lot of times they do not have a trading plan. And it always surprises me when I go talk to people and I say, okay, so what rules are you following? Do you have a plan that you're following when you're trading the markets? And they say, no, they don't have a plan. They're basically just going out there shooting from the hip and hoping for the best. And as I've said before in this series earlier, it's just gambling when you're doing that. And if you want to be a successful trader, you cannot be just gambling your money in the markets. That's not how we trade. Okay. So you have to have a trading plan. You have to have a written set of rules. And this is going to help you because it's going to keep you from making emotional decisions as the market is moving and as you're in a trade. All you have to do is say, does my plan say get in? Yes, I get in. Does my plan say get out? Yes, I get out. Does my plan say sit on my hands? Yes, I sit on my hands. Period. That way you don't have to go, oh goodness, well, I could let it run just a little bit more, or I could take profits just here, or I could give it just a little bit extra room, or I should just go ahead and get out. That type of thing. So you're not making any emotional decisions. And the second part to that is you need to have a trade log. So this is another thing where it surprises me. I talk to traders and they say, oh yeah, I don't have a log. That's too much work. That's the biggest excuse I hear, is it's too much work to keep a trade log. Well, all a trade log is doing is it's tracking what you have done. How do you know what's working, or the best way to trade, what strategies you should do more of and which ones you should do less of, if you don't know how they've all been performing? So you have to keep a trade log. It takes an extra 15 minutes of work every day, all right, to go through and log all your trades and the reason you got in, the reason you got out, all that good stuff. Is that extra 15 minutes of work worth being a successful trader? That's the question you have to ask yourself. And if you say no, then you're probably in the wrong business, okay? So you need to be keeping a trade plan, and then you keep a trade log, and then you make adjustments to that trading plan based on the results you're getting from your trade log. So it's kind of like a circle. The trade plan feeds the log, or creates the trades that are then recorded in the log, and then the results that you get and the analysis you do on your log tell you which trades you should do more of, what you should do less of, what things need to change. That's how you make adjustments to your plan. And that way you're continually adjusting, and it's kind of like a living document as the market environment changes. So again, the three biggest things: A, you have to be disciplined, patient, disciplined trader. You got to follow your rules. B, you have to have rules. Put together a plan. And C, make sure you have a trade log as well, so that you can track where you've been, what you've done, and what you have, what you should do more of, what you should do less of. Alrighty, that's all I have for you for today. I hope it helps. I will see you in the trading room bright and early tomorrow morning. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, happy trading.